Hello my friends, this video introduces our AE690D soldering iron parameters. You can see it's digital, so the temperature range from 200 to 500 degrees Celsius, and we can also change to degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit degree, so we can control the temperature setting with minus and adding key. Single press 1 degree up and down, and long press will be quickly increase or decrease the temperature of functions. So, and the functions we can single put on the function key and to the lock and auto sleep unit and calibrations and the program versions. So when we select the temperature by adding key and the minus key, so and now on to single press to means setting is functioned. So long press to exit the parameters. So now we cannot change the temperature. You can see when I press the minus key, the temperature, and adding key, the screen will show the lock, right? So again, we long press to the set and the single press to off. Change through the minus and the adding key to off. Single press to save, and long press to exit the temperature. Now we can switch the camera right. And again, we switch long press the function key and minus and the adding key to switch to different functions. Now we say the sleep. So single press to enter the menu, now on, so we can also switch off, right? And when we select the functions, we single press to save. Now I turn off the auto sleep functions. So long press to exit. Right? Its function is very easy. So again, to degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Single press to enter the menu. Now we change to Fahrenheit. So long press to save. Single press to save and long press to exit the setting. Now it is 692 Fahrenheit degree. Okay, long press to enter and single press to select. Single press to save. Now it's easy, so unit and the calibrations. We can switch to 50 and up and down. Degrees Celsius up and down, and 90 Fahrenheit degree. So turn off the 0. Single press to save, and then the functions. Now I turn on. So the auto sleep will turn on. Long press to exit. So you can see it's very easy with your thumb to control the menu. It's very easy, right? And you can see now the ring is breathing. It means the temperature, the iron is on work. When the temperature drops down to 160, the light will turn yellow, and when the tip temperature turns to around 40 degrees Celsius, and the light will turn green. So it is kind of indicated of the lighting. You can know the status of the iron. Okay, that is it.